Stanford Residence is a home born from the meeting of two worlds: calm, measured architecture and ever-evolving innovative thinking. Designed by Jensen architects for a Stanford professor, the house is not merely a place to live, but a space that embraces creativity, experimentation, and everyday life. From the outside, it appears simple, much like any suburban home. Yet behind this simplicity lies a sophisticated spatial organization filled with subtle surprises that make the house feel alive and deeply personal. With a palette of colors, forms, and materials kept deliberately minimal, Stanford Residence invites its visitors into a journey of discovery, unfolding room by room. From the street, the building does not immediately read as a residence. Instead, it appears as a low-lying mass blending into the surrounding trees. Charcoal-painted walls merge seamlessly with the rolling roof, while hidden doors lend the facade a quiet, mysterious presence. The front gate opens into a roofed square courtyard, where the main entrance sits tucked into one corner. The house is arranged as an open plan that allows spaces to flow naturally into one another. Yet flexibility remains central to the design approach. A series of sliding walls enables spaces to be reconfigured as needed, creating ever-changing possibilities. In the dining area, a large skylight becomes an unexpected architectural gesture, evoking the feeling of a small cathedral ceiling while ushering in natural light that shapes the atmosphere throughout the day. One of the most compelling design gestures is the presence of the rear workshop that extends directly from the living room. Without rigid separation, this space becomes an integral part of everyday life inside the home. The generous dimensions of the workshop, together with its visual connection to the family room, emphasize the seamless integration of creative processes into domestic routines. From here, the interior can shift and adapt dynamically, following the occupant's interests, experiments, and working rhythms. The home's material palette is intentionally restrained: neutral tones, simple textures, and muted colors that allow artworks and collected objects to take center stage. Stanford Residence stands as an example of how renovation can be a process of reinvention without losing the essence of its past. The home demonstrates that sustainability does not always mean building something new. It can mean reworking what already exists with care, creativity, and sensitivity to its context.